Guys, good morning to you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful morning here in Nigeria, and it's been a long time that I watched with you guys. So today I want to carry you guys along. I want to wash my clothes, spend the day with me. Should I say spend the day with me? Because I don't know. Yeah, stay along with me. Let's wash my dirty clothes together. Let me show you guys the clothes that I want to wash right now. Let me show you guys. So this is the clothes that I want to wash. This is it. So I'll bring everything out now so that I can start washing them. It's not much. I don't know if you can see that on that window. Can you see that on the window? That is sun. Morning sun. Guys, I've already seen from there all that side to that side. It's not that much. So I was telling you guys, it's not that much. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy I did this morning. And see Grace. Why be say Grace? The bum of your clothes they always black. Eh? Look me. Look at me. Look at you. Why be say the bum of your clothes is always very. She saw me washing and she decided to come and follow me. See her. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you watch up to this point, I really appreciate. Okay, thank you so much. Please do it to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright? Thank you so much. So you guys, when last did you eat curry and akara? So this is going to be my breakfast for today. Akara. See? So yummy. My garri self don dry. Make I add water. So this is going to be my breakfast for today. Garri and akara. Join me. Join me. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, let's eat, okay?